Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is your morning market stir for Friday, April 19th. S&P backed off once again yesterday. New weekly lows were made at 1531. The market closed at 1534, down 12 points on the session. Dow futures were off 142 at 14,410, and the Nasdaq was a big loser of the day, down 1.3% at 2740, down 35 points. The euro currency was a little bit higher yesterday, 130.53, as the dollar index drifted lower, down 11 at 82.68. Bonds saw some additional safety buying, 148 and 14, 148 and a half essentially, up half a full point on the session. Crude oil did add $1 at $88. Crude oil has been trading between 90 and 86 essentially for this week, middle of the range as it sat yesterday. The gold market had a little bit of a bounce, up $10, 1392 and a half was the close. 1402 was the session high yesterday, with 1404 the session high from Tuesday to keep an eye on. So after another negative day and new relative lows yesterday, where do the markets stand on this Friday morning to end a negative trading week? Well, right now the S&P is positive, up 11 at 1545. Dow futures are up 85 at 14,500, and the Nasdaq's up 19, getting back half of the losses from yesterday at 2758. We do have option expiration here today. That could add some volatility and maybe some short covering here after the sell-off this week. The euro's up 40 points at 130.93, trying to get back above the 131 level. The dollar index is down 9 at 82.45. Bonds are down half a point at 148. Still right around this 290 yield on the 30-year Treasury. We are sitting at 288 as we stand right now. Crude oil's up $1 at 89. Again, 90 is the high of the week. We'll want to keep an eye on here. And gold is at 1414, up $21. Looking at the gold market, the sell-off here from 1570 to 1325 in the last week or so has a midpoint retracement at 1450 that we'll want to keep an eye on that's currently resistance. So to wrap up the current market action with about 2 hours to go before the stock market open, we're positive as we stand right now, 1545, up 11 in the S&P, and up 85 points at 14,500 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Monday for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. Here from the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.